In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Confluence, a powerful collaboration tool that makes teamwork easy and organized. If you're looking to customize your workspace with text that stands out, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process together so you can make your content not only functional, but also visually appealing. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Confluence account and you're on your homepage. This is the starting point for all the modifications we'll be making today. Now, from this main dashboard, you want to navigate to the workspace where you'd like to implement your font changes. This selection is important because you want to ensure you're editing the correct space that aligns with your goals. After you've selected your desired workspace, it's time to decide which specific page you'd like to edit. Think of this as your canvas for applying your new text styles. Once you've found the page, simply click on it. This will open up the content for editing. Now that we have the page open, you'll see a pencil icon located at the top of the page. This is your Edit button, a vital tool for making any changes within Confluence. By clicking on this icon, you enter the editing mode, where you can fully engage with your page's content. With editing mode now enabled, highlight the specific text on the page that you want to adjust. This step is crucial because it tells Confluence exactly which portions of your text will have their font sizes altered. Highlights are shown clearly, so ensure you've selected all the necessary text. Once highlighted, look for the Text Styles menu. This is usually found in the toolbar that appears when you are in editing mode. Clicking on the Text Styles button will reveal several options for modifying how your text appears, including font sizes. Here comes the fun part, choosing your font size. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking on Text Styles, you'll find a range of sizes to choose from. Whether you're going for a subtle enhancement or bold emphasis, select the size that meets your needs. Once selected, your text on the page will automatically adjust to the new font size. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font size in Confluence. This simple modification can significantly enhance readability and the overall aesthetic of your pages. Remember, customizing font size is not only about making things look good, but also ensuring that information is accessible to all team members. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to make use of these steps whenever you need to give your Confluence pages a bit of a visual boost. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!